Welcome to the VP750 and VP700 tutorial series. This video is about wiper roller assembly replacement. To replace the wiper assembly, you need to remove the service station. You can reference our video on service station replacement for that. Remove the cable that is connected to the board and place the board to one side. Remove the screws from the assembly wiper module. Unlatch both latches from the assembly wiper module. Remove the old wiper roller microfiber. Place a new wiper roller microfiber and ensure it is properly assembled. Secure the wiper roller with two latches. Next, secure the latches with two screws. Assemble the assembly wiper module to the MM. Connect the connectors to the board. For more information, visit www.vipcolor.com and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.